Okay, so it's Monday, the 23rd of September, and we're looking at coterminal angles. We've already seen this before, okay, but I want to go back and hit this because we need to look at coterminal angles between 0 and 360 or 0 and 2 pi, okay? So within one revolution, correct? No matter what we're given. So coterminal angles are angles that have the same initial side and the same terminal side. Now we've done this already, I promise you. When I gave you said 13 pi over 2 and said draw it, you did this. I promise you. If I said 760 degrees, draw it. You're going to do the same work that you would have to find the coterminal angles. Okay? Now, let's look at this one because we need to find the coterminal angle between 0 and 360. That means it has to be between 0 and 360. Yeah? So I'm going to give you 30 seconds. Let's see what you can do. Fair enough? 30 seconds. You're either going to go yeah or you're going to go nah. Okay? Okay. So either we're okay or halfway down the road or stop. So raise your hand if you like. There wasn't nothing happening on this one. Raise your hand. Okay. All right. Raise your hand if you think you got about halfway down the road. Okay. Raise your hand if you like. Winner, chicken dinner. Super soft. Anybody? Him? Okay. Yep. Okay. Just a couple. All right. So what I'm about to do? Let's see if we've done this before. Y'all ready? It's a positive angle, right? What did we do before? We minus 2. What's 874 minus 360? How much? 514. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that is a coterminal angle. Reason being is, it would have the same initial side and the same ending side, right? That'd be 514 is coterminal of 874. But it's 514 is it between 0 and 360? Oh, so what I got to do? I got to do what? Okay, so minus 360 again. How much? 154. Is that between 0 and 360? Yeah. That's it. Ladies and gentlemen, easy peasy. It's got to be positive. Why? Because we're between 0 and 360, right? We're not doing negative angles on them as far as coming up with negative coterminal. Right? We're wanting specific ranges, right? Meaning we want them because I said 0 to 360, guys. I'm talking about a positive rotation, correct? A positive angle. Are y'all with me? Have we done this before? Yes or no? Yes, we have. So what I want to bring your attention to, 874, this one, 514, and 154, if I were to draw those angles, they'd have all the initial side and all the same terminal side. You just have a lot more revolutions to get there, right? There's an infinite amount of co-terminal angles. Because I can continue adding 360 to that, or I can continue subtracting 360. I'll never get to something that I can't subtract or add 360, right? Okay? So just know that we're going until we hit one between, a positive between 0 and 360. Questions? All right, you good? A little bit better? Yes?
For instance, like number 3.
Ooh, let's do number 2. Can we do number 2? Yeah? Let's see if it answers your question. It ain't? Oh, go ahead. Ask
Do you still subtract 360?
Well, is it above 360?
Yeah. And on number 8, when I said negative 2.
Oh, we ain't got to yet. All right, so what I'm going to do is this. So, you ready? I need you to do number 2. Go. 860 what, 5 degrees? So what's the first thing that I do? Why am I subtracting 360? No, we're trying to get, that's our stopping point, right? But why am I going to subtract 360 degrees? Why not add it? What's positive? The initial angle that we're looking at, right? You remember when we drew, if they were positive, we started subtracting 360s to see what was our coterminal, right? And then if they were negative, what did we do? Huh? Come on. Add. Good. All right, so what is 865 minus 360? 505. All right. Twinsies back there. All right, so is that between 0 and 360? All right, what I got to do? There you go. Go. What's that give me? How much?
145.
Y'all are in unison back there. Okay, can I stop right there?
Yeah. Yes.
Why?
Because it's between 0 and 360.
That was our rank, or I guess our set of requirements, our borders, right? Find me a coterminal angle that is between that, right? So 145. Any questions off that? Anybody? How many coterminal angles could you have? What do you, why infinite? Or an infinite amount?
Because you can never not add 360.
Okay, so tell me yours again.
You can never not add 360 or subtract 360. Like there's never a stop.
Okay, now tell me yours. Tell me what you said.
You can have an infinite amount of revolutions.
Right. They're the same thing, right? A full revolution is how many degrees, y'all? That's right. Whether it's clockwise or counterclockwise, right? Good. Now, questions on this? Let's see what you do that.
No.
All right, negative 168. Is it between 0 and 360? Is it between 0 and 360? No. So what do I do? We do what? Why are we adding 360? One, it's a negative angle to begin with, right? So,
Vanilla ice cream. Can't go wrong.
vanilla ice cream. Y'all are not right. Okay, so what does that give me?
Vanilla.
Come on, hey, focus back here. What is it? 192 degrees. Is 192 between 0 and 360?
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, 192 is your answer. It is a coterminal angle. Thank you very much. If I added 360 to that, I could find me a node. Add 360 to that, I can find me a node. There's infinite amount. Good. Any questions? Let's do one more of the negatives, then we'll jump into radians. That's when the fun begins, right? Yes. Okay. Go. Number 8.
They probably killed them off because of the
Ladies and gentlemen, negative 10. What do we do? Add. Okay. Negative 10 plus 360 is how much? 300 what? Okay, can I stop right there?
Yeah.
That's a coterminal angle. And it's between 0 and 360. Questions?
No.
So if the angle is positive, I'll subtract 360. If the angle is negative, I will what? Add. When do I stop? Yeah, on these, I give you requirements between 0 and 360, right? Yeah? Good. Okay, questions? You're good on that? So if you knew degrees, guess what? You can do radians. We're not going to change both. How many radians is a full revolution? 2 pi. Ready?
Okay.
So here, let's look at 11. Now, I'm going to let you do it on your, I'm going to let you do it, and then I'm going to teach you the proper way to do it. How's that? Yeah, let's see what you got. Go. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to do this. You can do it on a calculator, but whatever you do, make sure you write it down, because your eyes got to see what you're doing. If you type on a calculator, when you get clear, it's gone. Okay, that's only one modality to learn. You got to have something to take a picture with, and that's the right. Okay, so we're in a negative power 4 situation. So what's the first thing I want to do? I'm gonna add, good. So I got negative pi over 4, and that's really 1/4 pi, right? 1/4 pi, right? Plus 2 pi. And you can do that on your calculators, and you come out with, guess what? 7 pi over who? Yeah? Yeah. Questions? No, that's it.
That's the answer.
Yeah.
So I didn't get it right.
Yes, ma'am, you got it right. Now, how do I know I can stop there? Well, 1, it's improper fractions, okay? Okay, 2, it's positive. 3, if you do 7/4 as a decimal, it's not greater than who? 2. Do you understand? So from a decimal standpoint, it has to be between greater than 0, well, I guess it could be 0, right? And 2 pi, right? Or 2. So let me teach you how to do this by hand. And I want you to learn how to do this by hand by fractions. Ready? So I got negative 1 pi over 4 plus, okay. Take the denominator, watch me, this is great. Take the denominator, multiply it by 2. What'd I get?
8.
Okay, so 8 pi over 4 is the same as who? 2 pi, right? Because 8 divided by 4 is what? Good. What's negative 1 plus 8? 7 pi over 4. Done. How about them tables? Now, that I need you to kind of understand. I need you to kind of do some of these on the back by hand. Manipulate some fractions, right? All I did was I took the denominator. Well, I got to get a common denominator. I have to make it 4, right? Take that 4 times 2, and that was my numerator. Done. Okay? Because 8 divided by 4 is 2. So I just rewrote, created an equivalent fraction. Guys, when you did this back in 3rd grade, there's a lot of theory that you learned about numbers, number sense. And to be honest, I don't know about you, but for me, 3rd grade, I came back from the restroom and I had my pants on and zipped up and I didn't pee on them, I probably was happy, right? You probably were in the same boat, correct? Let's just think about that. Or if we went to the lunchroom and didn't carry half our food back with us, it was a success, right? So that's when this was all going down in our lives. That's a long time ago. It's crazy. So don't go past this point without knowing how to manipulate fractions. You're a lot smarter now than what you were back then. You're a more complex thinker. So this concept that may be struggling or might be behooting, you're able to do this now. Okay, so please spend some time. I want you to do this one. Now this one's going to make you think, okay? So go. Okay. You either got to where you need to on this one and feel comfortable, or you're like, I don't know. So let's do the obvious, right? It's positive 139 pi over 45, right? So what do I need to do? Subtract 2 pi, right? Correct? So when I do that, what do I get? Just curious, what do I get? Come on, 139 over 45, 139 pi over 45 minus 2 pi.
49 pi over 40.
How much? 49 pi over 45? Okay, 45. I think you're right on that. I think you're right. So, how do I know? Do I continue to subtract 2 pi or not? Yes or no? Raise your hand if you're like, I don't know. I got to there, and that's about what I've got. Okay, first off, take 49 over 45, put it as a decimal. It's 49 as a decimal. What do you get?
Higher than
Huh?
still higher than
That's 49 over 45 is higher than 2? No, ma'am. I disagree with you. It's 1.7. Don't do one. Don't. Okay, stop. Let me reiterate what I'm looking for. 49 without the pi. 49 divided by 45, please. Sorry.
1.08.
How much? 1.08. It's less than 2 times, right? Yes? Okay, so I'm done. Now, let me show you. If I do this by hand, this right here answer will make a little bit more sense. So I'm 139 pi over 45 minus, well, I know, all right, stop, drop, look, and listen, because this is going to make you think about some stuff. I know that my denominator has to be 45, right? 45 times 2 is what? 90. So 90 pi over 45 is the same as 2 pi, right? Mr. Palmer, how did you get that? I took the denominator times 2, and that's what got on the numerator, right? It's that simple. Now, ladies and gentlemen, 139 minus 90 is how much? 49 pi over who? Guys, what is 2 revolutions with a denominator of 45? 90 pi over what? That's 2 revolutions, correct? I'm less than 90, am I not? Yes or no? Yes? All right, y'all see that? The 90 pi is, now if I had a numerator greater than 90 pi, I would have to do what? Subtract 90 pi over 45 again, right? But you see how this right here makes a little bit more sense to do the fraction, and you know that you know that you know? You know? Yeah, okay, y'all good? All right, let's do another one. Let's go to number 16. All right, let's see what you can do with 16. All right, so here we go, number 16. So 7 pi over 3, it's a negative, so I'm going to add. This has to be 3. What's 3 times 2? 6 pi, right? Because I need this to come out to be 2 pi when I simplify, right? Yes? So what is that? Negative 1 pi over what? 3. Okay. Am I between 0 and 2 pi? No. I'm almost there, right? Correct? So I got to do it again. Negative 1 pi over 3 plus 6 pi over what? See, once you do the 6 pi over 3 right here, which is really 2 pi, and you got to do it again, it makes it, what's negative 1 plus 6? 5 pi over who? You understand? Now, do I need to add another 6 pi over 3? Another 2 pi? Because 5 is less than who? The 6 there, right? Do y'all understand that? Raise your hand if you're seeing that. Raise your hand if you're not seeing that. Raise your hand if you're like, I'm about halfway. Some of y'all didn't do nothing. How am I going to fix that? I am a male. I'm a fixer. You got to give me a problem to fix. Come on now. Anybody confused about why we're stopping right here? Are y'all good now? Is that clear as mud? Well, we got about, I don't know, 35 seconds left. Any questions, guys? Listen, on this back of this sheet, please, 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 please do it by the fraction. Okay? If you do it by the fractions, you will be much more successful and it will make a lot more sense. Make sure you complete your homework and study your unit. What? Circle. Good.